We'll guide you through how to use Printify to make money. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to printify.com. You need to create an account if you haven't already. Once you're signed in, you'll be at your dashboard. Click on the category option at the top to browse the wide array of products you can customize, ranging from t-shirts to mugs. Choose a product you're interested in, which will lead you to the design editor. Here, you can upload your own design or use Printify's design tools to create something unique. Make sure to follow the image guidelines to ensure your design looks great on the product. After designing, click Save Product to add it to your store. Now, go to the My Store tab and integrate Printify with your preferred e-commerce platform, like Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce by following the simple integration instructions provided. This will allow your designs to be automatically listed and sold on your chosen platform. Once your store is set up and products are listed, promote your items through social media, email marketing, or any other channels you prefer to drive traffic and sales. Remember to regularly check your Printify dashboard for orders and any updates needed for your products. Printify will handle the printing and shipping so you can focus on marketing and customer interaction. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.